In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar view to Trello. This is a really handy feature if you like seeing your tasks laid out by due date instead of just in lists on a board. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to your Trello account. From your workspace, choose the board where you want to use the calendar view. This might be a project board, a content planning board, or even a personal to-do board. Make sure the board is fully loaded and you can clearly see your lists and cards. Once you're on the board, look towards the top of the page near the board's name. Next to the board title, you'll see a drop-down that controls different views for the board. By default, most boards open in the standard board view with columns and cards, but Trello also offers other ways to look at the same information. Click on that Views drop-down next to your board name. When you open it, you'll see a menu with several options depending on your plan and settings. Take a moment to glance through them so you know what's available, but for now, we're going to focus specifically on enabling the calendar view. In that drop-down menu, find the option labeled Calendar and click on it. As soon as you do, Trello will switch from the usual list layout to a full calendar layout. You should now see a monthly or weekly calendar with dates, and any cards on your board that have due dates will appear on their corresponding days. If you don't immediately see your tasks, check that your cards actually have due dates set. The calendar view only shows cards with due dates. You can add a due date to a card by opening the card, clicking on the due date field, and selecting the date and time you want. After saving that, go back to the calendar view and the card should show up on the correct day. From here, you can drag and drop cards to different days to quickly reschedule tasks, or click on a card to open it and make changes. Remember that everything you do in the calendar view is reflected on the main board view as well, since it's all the same set of cards and lists, and that's all you need to add and start using calendar view in Trello.